Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to start our presentation today. My name is Abdul Muhammad Ahmed. I'm studying in project management, Master of Project Management. My assignment is risk management and presented by Open University in Malaysia and presented by Summit University. After that, I will gonna start our assignment today. First, we have a risk management. Risk management and our project is today Starbucks collaboration. Starbucks is a multinational chain of cafe and roaster server headquartered headquartered in Seattle, Washington. It is the world's largest cafe chain known for its signature cafe and response drinks, tea, and assortments of food items. Here and overview of the company background, background core business, product and service organization structure, and hypothetical case study project that may resume a real-world initiation. We have also company background. Starbucks was founded in 1971 by Jerry Ballondrin Severin. Starbucks was retailer of whole bean and ground coffee, tea, and special with a single store in Seattle in 1987. Okay. Also, yeah, this business and in the global recognition brand it is today. Starbucks' success attributed the high quality product, consistent customer experience, and amiable of the store which encourage risk identification. We have risk identification is a crucial part of the control procedure because the better you identify potential risk, the better you can respond to them. We have five steps to risk identification. Supply chain distribution also increase. Second, increase operational cost. You have to increase your operational and work cost to get more identification. Regular regularity risk that may become many times and is considered in the risk register. Customer acceptance. The customer also have to accept this risk. Also, climate change is one of the risk identification or risk problems. Risk mitigation. In this process of planning for distribute for disease and having a way to lens negative impacts, robust supply chain management. Supply chain distribution. We have supply chain. That means they have a big connection of supply and chain distribution. Also, to mitigate the risk, we have to increase operational cost. We have to increase the operational cost. Regularity risk. The risk may become many times. Consumer acceptance and also climate change risk. That is the way of mitigation risk. We have also risk response plan. How to respond, how you react when the risk is coming. It's the process of developing operational and determining action to enhance operation opportunities and reducing threats to the project objectives. We have also here many facilities. Inputs of the risk response plan. One of them is a risk management plan to get well prepared. Risk register, we will see in a back in the coming slides. Risk report, also you have to get a lesson learned. Tools and strategies of risk response plan is risk avoiding, is to avoid the reduction of dangerous activities and exposes. Risk transfer. Risk transfer is a management and control approach that involves supply quality assurance program, implementing a rigorous supplier selection and evaluation program and materials meet Coca-Cola quality and sustainable standardized. Conducting supply audit and coffee development program to help suppliers meet these standards. When we talk about the standards, something is very international and very common, very standard, and something is more popular than the others. Implementing and standardization. To start implementing and standardization and training and development. To first, employee training and development. Regular training program for employees training program at the level of the organization on the latest quality management. Participate participate regularity requirement and sustainable initiative. Quality management system and certification. Obtain and maintain certification like iOS to get a certificate of iOS 1991 quality management. Also to get certification iOS 22,000 food safety management as a framework of quality assurance process. We have here risk response plan. We have the risk impact. We have the risk response. We have the risk owner. These all factors will help each other. Risk security, inflation risk, communication risk, post-project failure and damage to the workers. Security guard are made. Conclusion. Before we get the conclusion, when we have a communication risk, if we get very specific lines of communication, platforms of communication, formal communication, uh, same and the project will become and delay and the project will not be very active. So that you have to make good communication, information risk, and security risk. You have to decline. In conclusion, manager and risk in a project is specific as one as complex and far-reaching as Starbucks global standardization, initiation requirement, and comprehensive and dynamic approach. This case study has illustrated and multifaceted nature of the risk range for supply chain distribution, consumer acceptance challenge, highlighted impact of strategic. The strategy for the mitigation this risk and down from the relative illustrator emphasizing importance of diversity, partnership, investment, and renewable energy efficiency, and responsibility and education, consumer education, and innovation response to climate change. Each of the strategies only be aims to mitigate the risk. Thank you for your watching and you're welcome guys. of your